Dan Jackson, Chubbs, OG up in the house, Stuffest 2004. Dan Jackson, if it wasn't hurt, he'd take all the money. I'm out.